Imagine going to a planet which doesn't rain water. Can you imagine what that would be like? On Venus, it rains sulfuric acid, strong enough to bend skin instantly. On Titan, Saturn's moon, it rains liquid methane, forming rivers and lakes, but at minus 180 degrees Celsius. On HD 189733b, it rains glass and it falls sideways at thousands of kilometers per hour. On planet WASP 12b, scientists speculate that it rains liquid metal because the planet is hotter than lava itself. And Neptune has the best rain of them all. It rains diamond, real diamond. Imagine being on Neptune. Earth rains water. The universe rains nightmares. Which planet would you like to live on?